In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a post to your group in Facebook. Pinning a post is a simple but powerful way to keep important information at the top of your group feed. This is really helpful for things like group rules, announcements, event details, or welcome messages for new members. By pinning a post, you make sure everyone sees it first when they visit the group. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Facebook account and that you have the right permissions in the group. You'll need to be either an admin or a moderator to pin posts. If you're just a regular member, you won't see the pin option. Once you're in Facebook, go to the group where you want to pin a post. You can find your groups from the left-hand menu on desktop or from the menu icon on mobile, then tap on Groups and select the group you manage. When the group opens, scroll through the feed and find the specific post you want to pin. This could be an existing post, or you can create a new one first and then pin it. On the post you've chosen, look for the small icon with 3 dots. On desktop, this is usually in the top right corner of the post. On mobile, it's also typically in the upper right, next to the poster's name or just under it. This 3-dot icon is the menu for more options related to that post. Click or tap on the 3 dots. A drop-down or pop-up menu will appear with several options, such as editing the post, turning off comments, or saving it. In this list, look for the option that says Pin to Featured. Sometimes Facebook may slightly adjust the wording over time, but it will include Pin and Featured. Click or tap on Pin to Featured. Once you do this, Facebook will move that post into the featured section of your group. On many layouts, this also makes the post appear at or near the top of the group's feed, so it's much more visible to members when they visit. To double check that it worked, go back to the top of your group page and look for a featured area. You should see the post displayed there. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same 3-dot menu on that post and choose the option to unpin or remove it from featured. And that's all you need to do to pin a post to your Facebook group.